Do you own rental properties in the US? QuickBooks can actually make tracking your income and expenses way less stressful. So in this video, we're going to break it down so you can see exactly how much you're making, spending, and even get ready for taxes without pulling your hair out. So first things first, you're going to have to set up your rental property as a class or location in QuickBooks. This is huge. It lets you separate the numbers for each property instead of lumping everything together. So when you check reports later, you can see property A versus property B very clearly. Next, you're going to have to make sure you track every single dollar coming in, whether it's rent, payments, security deposits, anything. QuickBooks allows you to record recurring payments, which is perfect if you have tenants paying the same amount every month. This way, you don't have to remember to enter them manually. Now let's talk about expenses because yes, landlords have a lot. Property management fees, repairs, mortgage, interest rates, utilities. You can create expense categories for all of them. Now as a pro tip, you can also use the same categories consistently. Later when tax season rolls around, your numbers are already clean and easy to export to your accountant. And one more tip, you can also run profit and loss reports by property. This is where QuickBooks really shines. It shows you exactly how much each rental is earning or costing you. And it also lets you make better decisions. Maybe property A is killing it, but property B is draining cash. That way you know instantly. So to recap, set up properties as classes or locations. Then simply record all your rental income. And finally, run reports by property to see profits clearly. And that's it. Rental tracking doesn't have to be scary. QuickBooks makes it way easier to stay on top of your money, and you thank yourself when tax time comes around. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.